This is what I have for lunch. It's a keto diet meal and it's so freaking good. I have a little over 200 grams of grilled chicken thighs with 20 grams of cheese. We're going to cut that up and put it right on top of this salad. This salad has about 4 cups of spinach, 1 avocado, 1 cup of mushrooms, and half of a red onion. We're going to pour a little bit of olive oil on top, some salt and pepper, and then we're going to get this nice and creamy. And then I'm going to take some of this shredded Parmesan cheese, put it in a bowl, add a little bit of pesto, and then smear it on top of this beautiful bread. This is a keto bread that I picked up at the store. It's in the freezer section. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken on top, followed by the salad, and then repeat the process. And don't forget the most important part, which is the sauce. This sauce is made with butter, heavy cream, garlic, and some fresh thyme. We're going to pour that on top, and then we're going to serve it up.